Good morning, traders. Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss a simple method to improve area wave, day or swing trading. All right, are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader that is using the area wave theory to cream the market consistently? All right. So today I want to share with you a very simple method that will help you to improve your Elliott wave day or swing trading. All right. So I'm going to start counting wave like a child. That's why I say to traders, you are counting wave. Just do it like a 12 years old child. So if you are not very sure and you have a teenager with you, just ask the teenager, draw a line to highlight the price move up and down on my chart. And you'll see that the chart will not lie and will say to you, it went down like this. All right. This is about area wave count. And the chart will say to you, then it went up a bit like this. And then the chart will say, and then it went down like this. And then the chart will say, okay, it went a little bit up or horizontal here. And now it went down. And then you will say to the chart, count how many move is that? And the chart will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move. So for us as an Elliott wave trader, we say this is 5 waves down. So talking about wave count, we want to know what has happened before. All right, what has happened before? So it went down a bit, not very deeply, but what has happened before? The correct answer is that it was going up before this move down. It was going up, beautifully going up, but something has happened in this zone, all right, any change in direction, all right. Something has happened before, and it changed in direction. Okay, right there. Okay. So this is what the chart will say. So for us, that accounting wave, we will say first wave, a beautiful, gorgeous first area wave, followed by, okay, a nice second wave in a straight line, and then, okay, the third wave down, all right, followed by, okay, a tiny shallow, okay, fourth wave. That's the way we want the fourth wave to be, shallow, and a bit extended, okay, a fifth wave. See that the fifth wave is quite long, yes or no? Quite long, extended, all right. Is this, okay, a multi-wave? No, this move down is correcting this move up. So it's not, all right, an impulsive wave or a multi-wave as such, all right? Feel free to disagree, which we do all the time. But look carefully. In order to talk about simple methods, okay, to improve your area wave count, one of them is, if you pay attention to my trend line, which I'm going to color now into pink, pay attention to my trend line. What I did carefully, I choose the low of this candle, the low of November 2012, and I connect it to the low of October 2014. With those two lows, I draw my pink trend line, okay? Now you can do it also on your chart. You can see that what I'm calling the first wave breaks below that pink trend line. Can you see? So what I'm doing here is that I'll start counting my wave. Now I want to improve my wave count and see whether it makes sense or not. So generally, one of the characteristics of an impulse wave is that they break resistance or support level. Impulse wave, all right, or fast wave, one of the characteristics of any fast wave, whether even for the zigzag, you know the zigzag pattern is formed of ABC. All right. So the first wave of the zigzag is the A, the second wave of the zigzag is B, and the third wave of the zigzag, or the last wave of the zigzag, is all right, is C. So the characteristic of any first wave very often is to break resistance and support level. Doesn't matter. When we talk about a flat correction, 1, 2, 3, okay. Yeah, my friend. Now, I need to drink a bit of coffee, so I will be pausing the video very shortly to grab my coffee. So if you allow me, I will do it very shortly. So I'm giving you a prior warning, all right, that I will be pausing the video very shortly, and I will quickly go and grab my coffee, all right. So talking about the flat correction, all right, the first wave of the flat correction is what we call the A, B, C. But the flat correction, we have 1, 2, 3. That's the first wave of the flat correction. The second wave of the flat correction, 1, 2, 3. And the third wave of the flat correction is C, which is subdivided into 5 minor waves. So the characteristic of any first wave is to break resistance and support level. Very important. All right. So here you can see that this, what's supposed to be my first wave, has taken out the pink trend line. The first characteristic of corrective waves is to retest prior key level that has been broken. Have I said that? I shouldn't. It's a secret. Okay, because you're a friend, we can talk about it, but don't tell anyone. So the first characteristic of a corrective wave is to retest key level that has been taken out, that has been broken. All right? So that's the first characteristic of a corrective wave. So you can see that my first wave broke the pink line, pink trend line. The second wave has retested my pink line. I'm happy with that. I like this. I like this. So first wave break it down, second wave retest it. Okay. My third wave, boom, 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 down. All right, to this point. It's also what? Impulse wave. It's an impulse wave. This third move down is an impulse wave because it's not completed the pattern yet. It's an impulse move down. But as you can see, it must also, because if you are in a bearish move, it must break support levels. Must break support level. Price going down. You see how it went down? It must break support level. All right, where are the support level? There's one here. Look at it. Tail of this candle. You see the tail of this candle? It's a key support level. Price also slowed down here. It's a key support level. You see how this candle, this first one here, as it came down, it found a support. Price found a support here, this month, and closed the ball because of this support at 16850. But they don't want it to stop here. They push it down with the following candle to pierce that support level at 16850. Next support level, fourth wave, which is a corrective wave to this third wave. So this move up, which is the which is the fourth wave. All right, is trying to correct this move down. So move down, correction. All right, move down, correction. Move down, correction. So the first characteristic of a corrective wave in any case is to retest support and resistance level that has been taken out. So you can see that this one was trying to retest the level of 16850. 16850 was trying to retest it. That's why I say to traders in the video that I recorded today, talking about practical Elliott wave trading tips and tricks, a very important video for all traders, practical Elliott wave trading tips and tricks by 24 Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Check it out. I was saying traders to know their key levels. So apart from knowing your trading setup, now I'm saying also know your key levels. So now thoroughly, this candlestick bar acknowledge that key support level, and this one pierced through it. Pew! Now the fourth wave try to retest it, and now the fifth wave is coming down. Another thing that I will say to you is that an impulse wave, usually another characteristic of an impulse wave is to so as the first characteristic is to break support and resistance level. The second characteristic will be to bring the price to the station, so to speak. So it will push the price from A to B, from one key level to the next key level. This is the role of the impulse wave. They are bringing the price from one key level to the next key level. So bearish traders that are selling the British pound, Japanese yen, okay, want a price to go to a specific level. So they are selling from one resistance level, all right, to the next support level, right here. All right, so there is a support, you see here, bounce up and down here, acknowledging the zone, the median line of this candlestick bar here, all right, and then it pull back. So the second characteristic of an impulse wave is to bring the price, move the price from point A to point B. All right, you can see that this one bring it from the median line. You see the top. You see these two candles. First line, you see first line, second line. From that median line, near that median line of that channel, all right, the third move push it down to the next key level. So let's see where the third move has ended, roughly in this zone. Look, price went up, acknowledge this level. See here, find a resistance here, pull back before going up. It's a key level. So the third move brought it from the median line of the top of the channel, of the top channel, all right, down to these key levels. Now, pay attention. Let's remove some lines so you don't get confused, all right? This is just a simple method to improve your area wave, day and swing trading. So you are counting wave for day trading and swing trading purposes. You want to know where one wave is ending and when the new one is about to start. All right? So you are making your decisions when the one move has ended and another move is about to start. So you are trying to use the area wave patterns, the waves, to time your entry. So you want to know where one wave has ended and when a new wave is about to begin. So you want to know the characteristic of the impulse wave. They are breaking support and resistance level, and they are also bringing the price from A to B. The corrective wave primary role is to retest the support and resistance level that has been broken. So you may time the market correctly and make excellent decisions. And also you will be able, to recognize the area wave pattern and know, most importantly, where a pattern is ending. So looking at the last move here, last move here, let's pause the video as I promise you to get my coffee. Speak to you soon. Now let's continue, traders. Looking at the fifth wave down, this is another impulse move in the direction of this downtrend, all right? And as I told you, one of the characteristics of an impulse move is to bring the price from A to B, from one key level to the next key levels. So looking at this price move down, so talking about a simple method to improve your area wave day and swing trading. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all right? So this is a move down, all right? We want to know whether this impulse wave is completed or not, all right? And one way to find out is to know, the key levels. So there is one here. So here you see price rally up, changing direction here. The top of this double bottom chart pattern right here. All right, so we can say the neckline of the double bottom chart pattern, that's the key level where we are at now. But you need to be a little bit smart. This is what we are telling traders. You can see that the price peels through it, all right? Try to go up a bit, but it's coming down. Now, this is one of the challenge that area wave traders are facing. Will the price change in direction here? What I'm going to do, all right, I'm going to highlight, that fifth wave down, bearish wave, and we're going to look inside that price action from here. In fact, what I will do, yes, I will leave it as it is. And pay attention to the two vertical lines as I'm going now to the daily chart to investigate that specific price action. So here it is. So you can see that the price went down like this and then went up a bit. Remember this day, you remember this day, the 23rd of June, or the 23rd of June, the Brexit. All right, Brexit is causing a bit of trouble for the British pound. All right, so exactly on the 23rd of June 2016, a day that a forex trader should not forget. All right, and the price action that Elliott trader should not forget. So price went down on you see, before that it went down like this. Okay, we are investigating the last move. Okay, on a daily chart. So there is a specific correlation between the monthly chart and a daily chart for us as an Elliott trader to validate our Elliott count. So the move that brought the price all the way here is this one here. So price went down again here. All right, did on the 23rd, sharp move down, followed by a bit of rally like this, and then he pulled back like this. All right. So that wave, that impulse wave on the monthly chart has been subdivided into 5 waves. You can see that the waves, are a bit funny waves. This is a corrective wave. No, this is now what I'm saying. Corrective waves is this. Remember this. This is what we were talking about earlier today. This move from here all the way down here is a correction, all right? It's a correction. But in that correction, we have some impulse wave. Now, impulse wave is a wave in a direction of that is, so what do I mean by impulse wave? Okay, so you have to be careful because we talk about multi-wave in the direction of the trend. But when we talk about a wave that is impulse wave, it means that the wave that is supporting the move from A to B. So the price going down from, so you need to be careful what I'm trying to explain here. The price going down from here, all right, to this point. So any move in the direction of this move down is what I'm saying impulse wave. So don't get confused, all right? Don't get confused, all right? So this move down from between the two vertical lines is supporting the move. It's not a contra move for the move from here to here. It's supporting the move down. This one also was supporting the move down, and this one is supporting the move down. Therefore, it's an impulse wave, all right? So now, if we go, as we were investigating the last move between the two vertical lines, we went to the daily chart. You can see that that wave has been subdivided into 5 manual wave down. But though it's an impulse wave supporting the move down on the monthly chart, okay, so to speak, it is a corrective wave. It's a part of a corrective wave. This move down is a wave of a corrective wave on the monthly chart. So that move between the two vertical lines has ended right here on the daily chart. All right? But we face a bit of challenge. Something is going on the mind of traders. This is why we are talking about simple method to improve your area wave, day and swing trading. Though the last wave, all right, is subdivided into 5. You can see that trader bought it here, probably went up a bit, but it's still hanging around here. This is not a proper reversal. Something is playing on the mind of market participant. All right, so there is a triangle being formed after that move, which means the correction is not finished yet. So remember what I'm saying to you. On the monthly chart, remember, I want to highlight this triangle into orange so you can see it when I change my time frame to the monthly chart. A corrective wave can become a complex wave, a complex correction, if the market is not satisfied with the key level. So, or if the correction is not completed. All right. Am I making sense, or am I just talking to myself? Or I put your comment in the comment section. So here, so on the monthly charts, It's quite challenging to clear this up. So from price going down from here down to this point here. So we notice that we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, and the last wave or the fifth wave of that move down, all right, has been subdivided on a daily chart into 5 waves. But after that fifth wave, we are noticing a triangle. This is indicating to us that there is a high chance that the price may continue to go down. There is a high chance the price may continue to go down. Why? One of the reasons is that the market, okay, will prefer to bring the correction all the way to the support level at 119.16. So therefore, though we have seen 5 waves down, which is a corrective wave in total, the correction, in my view, is not finished yet. So what we can say to traders is to look for an opportunity to sell this, the British pound yen, to give priority to bear signal below the level of, I'm going to call it now, below the turquoise line at 129.75. So at this point in time, we will say priority to bear signal below 129.75 and priority to bullish signal above 129.75. The reason is that if it pop out of the orange triangle, okay, it will seek the next key level at 119.16. So for an area wave trader, this becomes a bit of challenge. So a simple method to improve your area wave day and swing trading is to understand, the characteristic of an impulse wave, a wave that is going in a direction of a price move, that is supporting a price action. So price going down, this move is supporting the move down, this wave is supporting the move down, and this wave is supporting the move down. And one of the characteristics of the wave that are supporting the trend is that they break resistance and support level, and they are also bringing the price from one key level to the next key level. Though we are at a key level at 13440, there is another key level below it. Now we have seen also on the daily chart 5 waves, between the two vertical lines, that the fifth wave of the correction that we see on the monthly chart has been subdivided into 5 waves. Though we have seen that wave is completed, there is a triangle that is in place indicating to us that anything is possible. Remember what I said to you before, whenever we see a triangle, what do we think of? Anything is possible. It can go up and it can go down. So therefore, we will give priority to bullish signal above 129.75, and we will give priority to bearish signal below 129.75. There is a high chance that the price may seek the level of 119.16. This is about a simple method, to improve your area wave day and swing trading. So for instance, if we receive a signal to sell, to buy above 129.75, we will consider that a risky trade because the price may seek a better support level at 129.16. One more key level that I want you to remember, put it the back of your head, is the median line between the 129.75 and the 119.16, somewhere in a zone of 12513. Just remember 12513. If we start going down, remember 12513 before the 119.16, which is the ultimate target zone. All right. So, though you can see that our wave count, we can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First thing coming to our mind, there is a high chance that it may change direction. But though we have counted 5 waves, after investigating the last wave of that move down, we notice that something strange is taking place here. It looks to me that the correction is still not completely finished. We see a triangle indicating to us anything is possible, that the price may continue to go down as well as it may continue to go up. So we must be ready to buy and ready to sell. Buy above, look for opportunity to buy above 129.75. Look for opportunity to sell below 129.75. As things stand now, the dominant force is bearish. So the probability for a down move is stronger than the probability of the up move because the dominant force is bearish. But if one is buying, one should be cautious, understanding that the dominant force is still bearish. So those are just few things you want to, okay, remember when you are using the Elliott wave, so you do not make a wrong day and swing trading using the Elliott wave principle. All right? This is the end of this tutorial, okay, about a simple method to improve Elliott wave day and swing trading. As always, when we recognize a trading setup, all right, we will implement what? A top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method to trade it. All right. So as I show you here, talking about simple method to improve Elliott wave day and swing trading, you can see that we were using those the characteristic of an impulse wave, of a first wave, okay, and the characteristic of the second wave. The second wave will retest the key level that has been broken very often. So here, as an Elliott wave trader that is improving our Elliott wave count, we see that this one, first move, first wave, break the key, the pink trend line. Second wave, clearly retest the line that was broken. Good. Now, at this point in time, we have a bearish trading setup. We will use a top-down trading method to trade it. So we sell it. We know that this is an impulse wave because it's going in a direction of the move. Boom, down. Though the move from here to here is a correction, the wave that is supporting the move is an impulse wave. So therefore, the characteristic is to break support and resistance level, and the next characteristic is to bring the price from one key level to the next key level. With that in mind, we can manage our trade carefully. Another correction has begun. We know that the correction usually will try to retest the key level that has been broken. 16850 was trying to retest that level, which is good. If we come near that level, common center line is broken, we have another trading setup. An impulse wave, a wave that is supporting a move, is about to begin, is likely to break support and resistance level. So in order to trade an impulse wave or a wave that is supporting a price action, all right, we will look for break above, retest, or break below, retest. This is how we can trade an impulse wave. So you didn't catch it at the beginning, you want to catch it on the way, you are looking for it to break below a key level and to retest the key level. All right? That's how you will trade an impulse wave that is underway. That is likely to break support and resistance level. All right? And, okay, you are looking for break below, retest, turn around in a down move, and you are looking for break above, retest in an up move. This is how one can trade an impulse wave. In this case, be careful. An impulse wave, a wave that is supporting a price action. Okay, going in the direction of a price action. So here you can see the price is going down from here to here. This move is an impulse wave. This move is an impulse wave. This wave is an impulse wave. This move is a contra move. This one is a contra move. Therefore, it's a correction. All right? But the move from here to here is a corrective wave of this move up from here to here. Don't get confused. Don't get confused. All right? It makes sense? It is also powerful. So if you have any question or suggestion, put it in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the GSTWSYS008 traders talking about a simple method to improve Elliott wave, day and swing trading. Happy trading to you all and speak to you soon.